Introduction to computer. A computer is a high-speed digital electronic device that can follow input data and instructions, process the data, generate the outputs, and store them for future use. Computer is a general purpose multitasking calculating device. It plays a vital role in modern civilization. It can help in education system, medical treatment, scientific research, business, book publishing, and many more. Now let's know about the parts of computer. Computer is not a single device. It consists of several components. The touchable physical components which makes it up a computer system is known as hardwares. So let's know about the hardware parts of the computer. CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. All instruction we give computer using our keyboard, mouse and other devices, the CPU process them and produce the result that we are asking for. Keyboard, mouse are called the input devices. Why? Because using these devices, we the user give instructions and feed data to the computer. Monitor, printer, speakers are very common output devices. Through these devices, the process data we can get CD, DVD, pen drive. These are secondary storage device. We the users can save the files or folders within this and carry with us. RAM, ROM register, these are called primary memory. The CPU can use them. These are temporary memory, and data instructions given through input devices temporarily stored in these devices for further processing by the CPU. So all the above mentioned parts are called hardware parts because these are the parts which you can touch and feel. These parts are very much essential to make up a computer system. We all know that computer has no IQ level. It has no brain, lack of thinking capacity. It can only do the work what is being instructed. So we write some computer language, some instructions for the computer. Those are called programs. Softwares are collection of some programs. So for our computer, we use commonly the operating system, different application softwares to give instruction to perform several tasks on a computer system. Now let's see the structure of a computer. Before it, we shall know that why shall we use a computer or a computing device. Reasons are: computer can work faster than us. The speed of a computer is measured in units named million instructions per second. That means a computer can follow million instructions per second and perform the same. We can make mistake while doing any calculation, but computer will found never make any mistake. It will give us accurate result. We may forget our assignment or the other words, but computer can store and remember a lot of information in its memory permanently. We feel tired and want to take rest in a regular interval, but computer never gets tired or bored. We cannot do different jobs at a time, but computer can do different types of jobs at a time. Like you may be drawing in your computer some picture, listening a music from that device only, and time to time you are taking printout of your best drawing. And if needed, you are sending the same to your teacher through mail from the same device. Computer is an automatic calculating device. It can automatically perform tasks without asking you again and again. Last but not least, computer reduces human effort and cost, as one computer can work for many human beings at a time. Let's see the structure, how a computer works. It takes the input from the units input devices like keyboard, mouse, and others. It goes to the CPU. CPU sends them to the memory unit to save it temporarily. As per instruction, they comes to the CPU and work is done by the control unit and arithmetic unit. After the instruction, as per instruction, work is done. It is kept in the memory unit, and when user need to be given back to the user from memory unit, it comes to the CPU and given to the user through output devices. That's the way a computer system works. Thank you.